Hey, Corey here, the art archaeologist, and welcome back. So here is this kit all dried and ironed up. And what I used on this kit was I went ahead and used the hibiscus again. And if you saw the regular hibiscus field videos, you know the beauty of the blue that comes out of this herb right here. And then I used the denim blue Rit dye, and I only used about 15 to 20% of this bottle. It's a pretty dark color, and I did use quite a bit of it because I got pretty dark results. Plus this mixed with the hibiscus, so I got even darker blues than I may have gotten without the hibiscus. And then again, I put this in the avocado water, and I got 0 results from the avocado because I just threw the seeds in the bath. And I really, like I said before, I think you have to boil this avocado to really get that beautiful pink color. And I'm kind of glad that I didn't get any pink in this kit because it is just beautiful, and I think pink would have kind of, I don't know, I'm just glad it didn't happen. But next season I am going to be doing some avocado eco-dyed kits. So let's go ahead and get into this. Now this kit here is 8.5 by 11 inch Canson mixed media sheets. So there's 16 images here. These are all double-sided. And then of course I've got my watercolor sheets, and we'll start there. And here's this beautiful little feather. I've been using a lot of feathers lately. I invite you to do the same. So here's the watercolor paper, and this is also Canson paper, and these are 9 by 12. These come 9 by 12, and I like to get the border because sometimes I'll get this really fun little border by just making these a little bit bigger. So that's what I do. And then I was running out of leaves when I did these kits, so I didn't entirely cover the grate this time, as you saw in the beginning. And then this leaf here just had really stark, I'm not sure how that printed so strongly with those lines, but just, I think it's pretty fun. Pretty fun. And then this had a little tiny aspen leaf that got caught in between this leaf and the paper. So I think that really is a fun, neat little element of this page here. The feather came out really fun too. The feathers, just pull them apart and you will love your results. So here's the other watercolor page, and I think this is the inner page. This had to be on the bottom. This has a tendency to happen on the very bottom sheet because it gets cooked more than the rest. It's closer to the pan, so that's probably what happened there. And then look at that, beautiful, those leaves, just so fun. Yeah, and then here's the great side of this leaf, and I was playing around trying to be a little bit more mindful of composition. I guess it goes this way. But I was running out of leaves, and then some of them didn't print as well as I would have liked. But this right here is a really great collage element. And this happens so often with eco dyes that you'll get part of a page that is just perfect for a pocket or a tag, some kind of an element like that. I did go ahead and use some flowers on this kit here. There's another feather. I like this color combo. I think it's pretty fun. It's very blue. You get so many different tones of the blue in here. And then here's some purple added in with this maple leaf. And then this is the back side of a maple leaf here. Little feather. This feather didn't print as well as some of the others. You just never know. Now here is a bunch of grapevine leaves in this page here, and those, as you know, I always rave about those. They're some of my favorites. Another maple. Lots of spotting from the alum spray. Oh, I just love that alum water look. Quite a few more flowers. This is the back side of the flowers. And then here's the front side with this stamen center. I guess it's just the center. I don't think it's really stamen. I could be wrong. Some beautiful little tree branches here and there. Really a fun kit. Next season, I'm very excited. I'm excited because I'm going to do all natural. So, about at the end of this year, so just about done with the kits. Now it's time to take these kits and make art with them and journals. So I'm very excited about that. Going to be doing that this summer. I'm very excited about that. I'm going to be doing that this winter. So hit that subscribe button and come join me. It'll be great fun. Bunch of aspen. Later in the season, aspen. I really want to get my aspen leaves earlier and see if I can avoid all the spotting. I like it, but I would like to see it without it too. This is a great collage element here. Oh, look at all that little bubbling. How fun is that? Yep, later in the season for sure, all the aspen leaves are very spotted. This page is almost like leaves on the water, floating on the water. Very aquatic vibe to this page here. Couple of tree sprig branches in here. I love all the different tones of blue. So you can achieve this very easily. Here's another feather. Beautiful little tree sprig leaves here, and then a big maple purple, dark dominating leaf there. Yeah, and then here's this one that we started with. So I'm really glad you stopped by for this. And like I said a minute ago, do subscribe because I'm going to be making all kinds of fun stuff with these eco die pages in the near future. So thanks for stopping by, and I will see you real soon. Have a great day.